Hello, dear students.
Hello, dear teacher.
Thank you. Sit down. My dear students, today, but not, for example, prepare anything. And today's exercise, maybe today we must make up any situation, may find any new word. Okay? And just now we must divide it to group. Yes?
Yeah.
And also I see you see it in two group. So tell me about the name of group first of all, and let's start today's our interesting what? But not thing. Interesting lesson. Interesting exercises, for example. Okay. So please, what's your name group?
Scientist.
Scientist. Why? All of you scientists.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tell me about your name of group. What does it mean? What do you want to put in your name group?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Yeah. Science. Knowledge. Okay, it's very interesting. So, United States of America, last theme about United States of America. And just now we must check it yourself, okay? And we work with your group and answer the question. My dear students, don't hurry up. Think and then answer. Okay? So, who is cleverest?
We always.
Okay. Thank you. Next. First question. Who wrote the books about Harry Potter? Shakespeare, Jack London, Joanna Rowling, Daniel Defoe. So, in this group, please, what? John Rowling. And your version? Also Joe Rowling. So, thank you. Just a minute. Is it right?
Yes.
Joanna Rowling wrote the books about Harry Potter. How many parts of Harry Potter? 7 parts. And right. Thank you. So, next question about interesting story. What's the capital of New Zealand? Just a minute. What's the capital of New Zealand? So, Mazuna?
Wellington.
Wellington. And your version?
Wellington.
Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope.
Don't forget, in every question, you get a mark. In every question, you get maximum 10 marks, 10 score. And first question, all of group, 2 groups, get 10 score. But the second question, you choose Wellington, yes? Okay, good. Thank you. And next question. Don't hurry up. What's the capital of the Brazil? What's the capital of the Brazil? So, Chavo?
The capital of Brazil is
Rio de Janeiro.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Rio de Janeiro. But in this question, maybe has correct. So it's not correct information. And
Rio de Janeiro was before and now it's Brazil.
at now and Brazil. It's meaning information about before. Yes, you are right. Just now the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Okay. Next. How many rides? How many rings? Do you know about rings?
Yeah.
About Olympics picture, yes? How many rings are there in the Olympic Games symbol? Oh, just a minute. So, Soro, please. 5 rings. Okay. Also 5. Is it right?
Yes.
Maybe 7?
No.
Marjona, 7.
It means 5 continents.
Yeah.
5 continents. And okay, right. So, and time for the riddles. It's very interesting. Let me start. What am I? People buy me to eat. People buy me to eat, but never eat me.
Plate maybe.
Kurbana, what do you think about? People buy me to eat, but not never eat me. Spoon,
Plate.
plate. Okay, just a minute. So, your group, plate. And you?
Also plate.
That's right?
No, plate. Just plate.
Plate. It's interesting, huh? People buy me to eat, but never eat to me. And the answer? Plate. Thank you. And next? What gets broken without being held? What gets broken without being held?
Believe.
Belief, trust.
But you must choose one of them.
We must choose one of them, please.
Okay, we will do it after you.
Okay. And please, your version. Just a minute. Just a minute in English language.
Promise.
Oh,
Promise.
C-R-O-M-I.
Really?
Yeah.
And your version?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And promise. So people won't eat, and when they have it, they use it by giving it. So just a minute, don't forget. People won't eat, and when they have it, they use it by giving it. Money. It's really. People won't eat, and when they have it, they use it by giving it.
Then maybe time.
Maybe time,
No, it's money.
Cash.
cash, money,
Money. Our answer is money.
money. Marjona, do you agree with him? With her? Yes? And your version? Money. Dodo, do you have money in your pocket just now? Okay, how many money? 110 some money? I don't know. I have money, but I don't know how money. Yes? Is it interesting? How much is it? I have a lot of money.
Because he has a lot of money.
So, okay, after the lesson, Dodo, show your money for you. Okay? Do you want to know about monies in his pocket? Yes? Do you want? Did you want?
No, I don't. I have mine.
Honest. Okay, thank you. So, and your version is? Money. Yes, right. And next. So, just a minute. We must choose one of them only to answer. But one of them is correct. Is it true that American English is a separate language? True or false? False. False. Dodo, what do you think about this information? False. Don't forget. Is it true that American English is a separate language? True or false?
False.
Really? Marjona?
Show answer, please.
False.
Yeah, it's all information.
What do you think?
Not correct.
True or false? Why?
Because it's a surprise language.
Exactly.
Okay. And? Yes. Right. The answer is correct. False. Because English also say it in American states. We can speak with English language also in American states. Okay? Is it true Russian and United States are only 4 kilometers apart?
Yeah. True.
It's very
True. Not false. Is it true that Russia and United States are only 4 kilometers apart?
Yes, very true. 4 kilometers between America and Egypt, but this very tunnel. It's very weird.
Okay. So, Kurbana, what do you think about this?
I think it's true.
True, but not false. Soro? I don't know. Shudruz,
Yeah.
what do you think about this
That
question?
is true.
True.
Yeah.
Yes. Your answer is true. So, wow.
Oh my god.
No poll or quiz assigned. 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 And A. No poll or quiz assigned.
No, of course,
Don't forget. If you put correct answer, your earn is $50,000. But you have mistakes, and unfortunately, but not you lose it. You didn't take any money. Eh? Okay. So, no pool or quasi signed. So, no. Okay. My dear students, continue today's our lesson about, for example, answer the question. And just now, please, one of them come to the blackboard, and we must answer that question and find about this word. For example, when you come to the classroom, come to the, for example, blackboard, and one of them may be, for example, all of your group, prepare any sentences, and you must answer the question. Only one word, okay? Yes, and yeah, you must explain, for example, any situation, and in your group, answer the question. And maybe you continued your opinion, okay? So, for example, one of them come to the blackboard, Dodov, answer. When I come to the classroom and I must, what does it mean? Open the door. For example, maybe about before, when I go out to the, for example, stadium, for example, go out street, and I must to put, for example, what does it mean? When you go out from your home. Before, I must put my shoes. Maybe any, for example, and because I go and maybe playing football, maybe, for example, walking, okay? So, please, you must choose one of them in your group. Who come to the blackboard? Dodov, please. Please, don't say with your mouth, okay? You must only explain and Joseph answers the question in one word. Understand? Joseph. Don't look. Okay? So, you have only, yes, no, just a minute. No, only 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many words you answer? Understand? So, just a minute. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please.
It's about part of body.
Part of body.
After that.
Head. Okay. Next.
We
So-
must to that question.
Answer?
Yeah.
Answer.
What we eat.
What we eat? Food. Okay.
Big. Dushanbe is a big. What? What? A big city. Yes.
City. Okay. What? Continue.
For example, you are late to the lesson and you are walking. What should you do? You are hurry to do.
You hurry.
Yeah, you are hurry.
Yes.
Run. Yeah, okay. 6.
What for it in the lesson?
What
You
should you
read.
Book and continue.
And animals that live in water.
Yes, in water.
Okay, time is finished. Okay, unfortunately, Dodov answer only in 1. So just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 question from 10. Yes, from 10 questions. Okay, thank you, Dodov. Sit down. So, in your group, who wants come to the blackboard? Okay, just a minute. You have only 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Don't look. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, just a minute. Let's start. Explain, please, your group.
When you
Who goes to the kindergarten?
Who goes to the kindergarten? Who goes to the kindergarten? Children, no, children, next, continue. You have only 1 minute.
Listen to.
Okay,
We should answer the question.
okay.
drive in,
Car for,
ask.
Question.
Yeah.
okay.
The best friend of human. The best friend of human. Like better than cats. Yeah.
Dog.
Okay,
We write on book.
No, this.
book.
No.
You write on. No.
It's only one.
yeah, you have only 1 minute, it's no problem.
A4.
It's
Yeah.
A4.
Yeah. Just. Okay.
When two people. What does it mean?
Huh?
No.
When two people.
What they do is
Teamwork,
teamwork. Together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, stop it. Thank you. So just a minute. No, come. So, please, all of your question, but unfortunately, you answer, how many answer? 7 from 10? Just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 4, 5, 6. No, just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Unfortunately, all of your group. Okay, thank you, sit down. And next, so last, please think and choose one of them, come to the blackboard. Who wants? Adria, please. Okay. Please, Adria, in your group, help, please. Be, for example, hurry up and answer the question. Make any sentences, okay?
I believe in you also.
So, just now, all of your score is draw.
Yeah.
Do you know about this?
Yeah.
It's the last exercise. So, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. So, don't hurry up. Okay? Don't look it. Let's start.
We walk by them.
We walk by them.
Yeah.
The one foreign
Language.
It's very expensive.
It's very expensive.
We can
Silver. Gold.
Gold for
the weather is in
the weather just now. Snow. Okay.
We study English. We study English. Yes.
No, this
You say you are very sad and what do you do? Yes.
Yes.
The bus station. What do you do?
In the bus station.
The bus station is late. And
We stay and we.
No. Wait. Okay.
What is we do car? This car.
Drive.
Yes.
Okay. Stop it. Thank you.
7, right?
Just a minute. Okay. And Kadra, please look at the board and your answer. Drive, wait, cry, language, snow, gold, food. Unfortunately, you don't answer 3 questions. Thank you. Sit down. So, 10 of 10. Okay. Come. Last exercise. And please help others, okay? Don't hurry up. And maybe Marjon help you for winner. Today is our answer the question. Maybe unfortunately you lose. Okay? So, just a minute. Are you ready?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Let's start.
What the teachers do? Teach.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now,
Somebody go to.
Somebody go.
What does it mean? Visit? No. Travel?
Yeah.
Yes.
The answer chair. What? The answer means this word chair. Table? Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody feel daughter and boy and daughter.
Some
no, just work. Place.
feel?
Yes. Feel something to another one.
Love?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, continue.
In
The word
which
is
snow?
No.
No.
yes.
Everybody in English.
Yes.
Speak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have evening and we have
Afternoon?
no.
Night?
No. Another one. The breakfast. Yeah.
Yes, okay. Continue. 10 seconds.
We have noun and
Noun and
do something.
verb?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And what else?
So stop it.
100.
Okay. Thank you. And
7 also.
also 7.
Yeah.
So just a minute. Okay, speak. You answer. Call, love, morning, for, table, travel, where. Teach. 8. Okay, thank you. Yes. The group of knowledge, unfortunately maybe for you, but I'm very happy because this group is trying to improve, to help for others, yes, and work together. Thank you, my dear students. Your group scientists, don't be sad. Maybe in another time you will be winner. Unfortunately, today answer the question, you lose. And the group of knowledge, I congratulate you. Thank you. And we must applaud for others, okay? Thank you. And all of you trying to answer it is very beautiful. It's very helpful for others because you're trying to answer how we must hurry up, for example, how the thinking quietly because we must answer and help your group and get a good high score. Yes, thank you. And yes, today's lesson about answer the question is very interesting. And the group of knowledge, I still congratulate you for winner for today's our lesson. and unfortunately, you lose. And I will hope in the future, for example, you must try, okay? So, do you have any question about today's theme? Is it interesting?
Yes.
Okay. Did you want to, for example, do you want to another lesson? Continue today's our lesson. Yes? You group scientists, try, and you must win in another lesson. Yes? Thank you, my dear students. Okay, goodbye. See you to next lesson.